So today I'm starting my first YouTube video. Today is gonna be the first day. Something that I always wanted to do. Get on my motorcycle and just ride along. I'm gonna see if I can do a 360 on California. The plan is to go up to Sacramento, Reddings, go to Oregon for a bit, come down again to the coast. Hey adventurers, this is my first stop since I started my small little journey. I guess I'm in Modesto, and then from here's Stockton, and then hopefully by the end of the day I'll be able to reach or pass Sacramento. Well, anyways, I'm gonna keep on going. It's pretty awesome, pretty exciting. Traffic, it's okay, it's good. I haven't filmed enough yet because today's my first day with this new adventure, but let's see what happens. I hope you follow along. Thank you. Showing you a little bit of the bike so far. Been pretty good. Definitely eating more fuel. I'm doing 80 miles, 75 miles an hour. Freeway, of course. Getting you guys a little scenery view of Merced, California. As you can see, look how beautiful is California. Going back to the bike. I need to go back to the bike just in case there's some curious people around it. All right, so basically I'm taking off now. Alrighty then, let's go. Ate a piece of bread, some chocolate, drank water, and we're gonna see what we get now. Alrighty then. Now we're rocking. Back on track. Okay. Oh. I hope I didn't take the wrong lane. Okay. Awesome. We are officially in Stockton, California. Guess it rained a lot over here too. Look at those mountains over there. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're beautiful. Yep. Modesto, near Modesto on freeway, I'm sorry, 99. It's well, for me it's not boring, but it doesn't have a lot of places to look around, sceneries, but as far as the ride, it's pretty awesome. I'm doing about 70 miles an hour, a little bit of wind, but nothing out of the ordinary. It's basically almost like the rest of the valley, you know, a lot of agriculture. A little bit of mining and hidden places, but it looks like a clean town. Man, I don't know if you guys were able to see that beautiful jet that is over there. I just love those airplanes. Man, I just crossed the Sacramento River. There's a lot of water in there, and definitely there's a lot of water all over this place. Yeah, it looked like, maybe I'm mistaken, but it almost seems like the water somehow made it across over, if I'm not mistaken, this bridge in some parts. Definitely an abundance of water right now. Definitely. So now I have snow to my west and snow to my east too. So we got like 90 miles until we get to Reddings, California. I have crossed many creeks on this ride since I passed Sacramento, and man, they are full of water big time. So I guess that's pretty awesome. I haven't got hungry yet, but I'm gonna start looking for a place so I can eat. I think I'm gonna rough it out. I think I'm gonna stay like in a rest area or something like that and pass the night. See what happens. If it gets too cold, finding a motel, it's gonna be the least of my worries. I really wanna feel the element, you know. Alrighty then. Okay, viewers, we got about 2.5 hours more of driving before I get to my destination up in Oregon. Anyways, I'll get with you guys later.
It doesn't even matter. I tried so.
Alrighty then. So, for the record, shortly we're gonna enter the state of Oregon. Welcome to Oregon. It said right there. Welcome to Oregon. Awesome. Alrighty then. Most likely now we're gonna look for a place so I can stay and spend the night. Wake up early and then start heading to the coast. The coast of Oregon. Medford, 28 miles. That's where I'm gonna try to see if I can find a motel and spend the night there. So we got about 28 miles to go. Awesome. We're here now. It was a pretty good ride. I stopped right here at the Dairy Queen. I'm gonna eat something and then I'm gonna bargain, see what's the cheapest motel. Anyways, well, I'm gonna eat something, get a room, and then go to sleep. Alrighty then, well, we got here now. Medford, Oregon. So I'm pretty sure that the last 50 miles getting over here, it was beautiful, but it was night and it was raining, so I couldn't record and I had to stay focused most of the time on the road. But yep, pretty nice little room right here. Nice and clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed because I'm tired, super tired, and I'm super hungry too. So tomorrow, first thing in the morning, I'm gonna eat a giant breakfast. Well, this is it. See you tomorrow.